Alright, here is a video on checking your Google Classroom assignments to see what has been assigned and what has been turned in and what still needs to be turned in. So from the KPBSD website, you're going to go to the Google Classroom. And your Google Classroom may look a little bit different than mine, but you'll have a bunch of your classes here. You'll click on the class that you're talking about. So we're talking about writing right now, but I'm going to show you in my sandbox class. When you open up the sandbox class, or when you open up your writing class, you're going to go to classwork, and you're going to click on view your work right here. So I'm showing you in this class because I'm a student in this class and I'm not a student in the writing class, so it's not going to look the same. But you'll be in the writing class, 5th grade writing, and you'll click on view your work, and it will give you a list of all the work that is assigned. It says assigned, whether it's missing. Check mark means that it's turned in, and this is where you can see what you still need to work on turning in. If you have any questions about that, let me know. Thanks.